Hold on, guys. Yep.
What you're looking at right there is one of 2 tornadoes that touched down on Friday night.
Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Aaron Luna.
And I'm Nia Wong. In a few areas across Spokane County, some people are still picking up pieces from the storms last week. We're going to send things straight out to Emily Bloom, who's in Spokane Valley, where most of the damage happened.
Aaron, Nia, take a look at this damage here behind me. You can see quite a few trees torn up. Now, to give you an idea of just how unusual this is for our area, there have been 13 confirmed tornadoes since 1950, and that doesn't include these 2.
We had the storms moving from west to east, and we had 2 touchdowns, 2 tornadoes that touched down. So one that was out here about 3 miles east of here, north of Airway Heights, and then again the next drop down was in the valley.
Both of these tornadoes came from the same organized storm cell that tore through Spokane County between 7 and 7:30 on Friday evening.
We had lots of thunderstorms going on the day before and then all through the rest of the weekend, and just with the unstable atmosphere, kind of like what we're seeing today, we get thunderstorms that develop. We just get some surface heating during the daytime, and that mixture of warm and cold air spins around, and we get a little bit of a spin up of a tornado that drops down.
Because the 2 happened so far apart, they are classified as 2 separate tornadoes, even though they both came from the same organized system.
It was just a very brief spin up of a funnel cloud, and it dropped down as a tornado, and it lifted right back up. So there wasn't quite enough energy that it needed to sustain itself, and it was kind of falling apart. So that's why we didn't see it last for very long on radar.
Typically, tornado warnings and watches are issued prior to touchdown, but it was challenging to do with such a small, organized, and fast-moving system. The National Weather Service is still assessing damage to get an EF rating for both of these 2 tornadoes. As we learn more, we will keep you up to date. Reporting live in Spokane Valley, Emily Bloom, 4 News Now.